How to create a Whirlpool App account. Stay in control and connect to your Whirlpool smart appliances remotely with an account on the Whirlpool app, enabling you to send commands, track progress, and access features from your smartphone, tablet, or compatible voice-enabled device. To start, download the Whirlpool app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and tap Sign Up to create an app account. Enter your first and last name, as well as your email address. Create a password following the parameters listed in the app, and then tap Next. Enter a name for your home, plus your street address and phone number. Lastly, review and agree to the Terms of Use and Privacy Notice and press Next. Shortly after submission, you'll receive an email from Whirlpool brand with a link to confirm your account. If you didn't receive the confirmation email, please check your spam folder. Click the link in the email to complete your account setup. Return to the Whirlpool app and select Go to Dashboard to add an appliance. For guidance on connecting your appliance to the Whirlpool app, please watch the How to Scan to Connect a Smart Appliance video at whirlpool.com/connect.